Hello there and welcome to the ZHRIS user tutorial. To log into the ZHRIS system, you require a username and a password. You get a username and a password from your system administrator. My username is twuse@moacc.go.zw and you enter your password. Please make sure that you do not share your username or your password with anyone else. Upon the initial login to the system, there is a message that is you have not provided your security details. You click there and it takes you to the page where you have to fill a form and enter a valid email address and give answers that you can remember. And then you click save. You also have to change your password from the one that was set by the system administrator to a password that you will remember. Make sure that your new password matches with the confirmed password and you click save. Your password, if it does not meet the required security requirements, it will not be accepted. So your password should have the following characteristics: 8 characters, and it should contain at least one digit from 0 to 9. It must have at least a lowercase and a uppercase character, and it must contain special symbols like 8 hash, last sign, and percentage. So you re-enter your password. Make sure that you correctly enter your password and enter a new password that meets the required security requirements of the system, and you click save. Okay, the password that you have entered still, the password that you have entered does not match the new password, so you have to re-enter again and make sure that the password that you enter will match. And you click save. When you click save, the system will take you back to the initial login page where you have to enter your details again and click login. In case you're forgetting your password, you click on the link here that is saying forgot username or password, and this link, it will take you to the form that you have filled before, and you enter your credentials in order to retrieve your password, and you click save. When you click save, an email address, a new password will be sent to your email address. Make sure that you have a strong connectivity of internet, otherwise the system would take so long to load. So a message is sent to you that your password reset was successful, and you have to check your email to see your details. You then go to your email and you see there is a password reset email, and there is your new password. So, and you have to copy your new password. And enter the new password that we have been given. MPHES, and make sure that you follow the lowercase, the uppercase, and everything that is on your new password, and click log in. To create a new employee, you click on the create new employee icon that is on the top horizontal, and you have to enter the title, Dr. Missy, Mr. You enter the first name, the middle name, the date of birth, and all the required fields up to the employment type and the employment category, and you click on the save button. After the creation of your new employee, you go back to your home page and you search for the employee that you want to search. I want to search for David Benson. You click on David Benson and the system will take you to David Benson's dashboard. Please make sure that you have a really strong internet connectivity. Otherwise, the system will be very slow. So, on David Benson's dashboard, the system is still loading. Let's stop it and we go again to David Benson's dashboard. On David Benson's dashboard, there is the employee overview, which shows the date of birth, the nationality, the initial employment date, the department, even the notification of when David Benson is due to retire. You can also edit David Benson's record and you can also delete David Benson's record. You can view the contact details, the qualifications that David Benson had acquired, the bank details, the leave that David Benson had applied for, any benefits like housing, the fuel, the relations, the operations, the integration, the employee donor support, the employee registration number, and the employee grading. On operations, there are a number of operations that can be done on an employee's dashboard. Like you can terminate an employee, you can transfer an employee, you can view any disciplinary cases that an employee has been involved in, you can view the employee appraisal, and you can promote the employee. So let's say we want to view any disciplinary cases that David Benson has been involved in. You click here, you add a disciplinary case. If there are any before, they will be indicated here. After that, you can go to the system reports. On system reports, there are two types of reports. Categorized reports, those that are detailed reports like all employees, and cross-tabulated reports that are on the top of the screen. On detailed reports, we have all employees reports, employees leave, employees by age, up to employees by multiple grades reports. Let's say you want to view employees by age reports. We want to view employees from the head office. You choose their district, which is the head office, the station, the head office, the lower range, you want from 22 up to those that are 30, and then you search. It will give you a report of employees that are at the head office and their ages. If you want to view this in an Excel format, you click here on Excel and it starts to download. And if you want to view it in a PDF format, you click on the PDF icon and it will take you to a page with the PDF report. And this is the report. Then you go back. Then for those reports that are cross-tabulated, there is employee post and location cross-tabulation up to employee type and post cross-tabulation. Let's say you want to view the nationality and gender cross-tabulation reports from the head office province, from the main head office districts, from the head office station, and you click search. This is the reports, and you can either export and view this in an Excel document where you can download it, or in a PDF document here. Then you go back, and finally to log out of the system, click here on the logout icon and it takes you back to the initial page. Thank you for watching.